Good morning, students. Let us start your revision for class 8th maths. This is assignment number 3. So students, your examination will start from 1st of July. Are you preparing at home? Yes or no? Yes, okay. So please take help from these assignments. Here is first type is 3 marks questions. So question number 1 is find the 3 rational numbers between first part is 2 and 3. So here we have to find 3 numbers, then already I told you how to do this. So we will take one extra. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So here 2 we can write 2 upon 1 and 3 we can write 3 upon 1. So multiply by 4 with numerator and denominator to both the numbers. First of all we multiply minus 2 upon 1 with 4 and 1 with 4. So minus 2 multiply by 4 is minus 8 upon 4. Here 4 3s are 12. Not minus here, it's 8 upon 4, 12 upon 4. So here denominators are same. So we will write the numbers between 8 and 12. So after this 8, 9. So 9 upon 4. Then next number will be 10 upon 4. Then next is 11 upon 4 is the answer. So I think concept is clear to you. Similarly, second part is the number between minus 1 and 1. So here is the answer. So multiply with 4 with numerator and denominator also. So also second number 1. Here we will get minus 4 upon 4. Here positive 4 upon 4. So denominators are same. We will write the 3 rational numbers between minus 4 to 4. We will just observe the numerator. So minus 4. So here minus 3 upon 4, minus 2 upon 4, then minus 1 upon 4. This is the answer. So next is arrange in descending order. This may be of 3 marks question or 4 marks also. So 5 upon 9, minus 5 upon 6, minus 7 upon minus 12, minus 13 upon 24. We will make these as equal, not equivalent fraction. We will make the denominators equal here. So here 9, 6, 12, then 24. We will make the denominators equal. First of all, we will take the LCM of 9, 6, 12 and 24. Let us divide with 2. 9 cannot be divided by 2, so we will write as it is. Then 6 divided by 2 will give us 3. 12 divided by 2 will give us 6. Similarly, 24 divided by 2 will be 12. So again divide by 2. So 9 as it is, 3 as it is, because these cannot be divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 will give us 3. 12 divided by 2 give us 6. So here again we can take the smaller number because all these numbers are divisible by 2, 3, but we will take the smallest number because 6 can also be divided by 3. So 2, 9 divided by 2 cannot divide, so write as it is. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Again divide with 3. So 9 divided by 3 will give us 3. Other numbers 1. This process will continue till we get 1 as the remainder. So to get LCM, multiply all these numbers. So here 2 multiply 2, 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 multiply by 3 will give us 72. So for these rational numbers, we will make the denominator is equal to 72. So here first of all take 5 upon 9, then 72 divided by 9 will give us 8. So multiply here numerator and denominator with 8, we will get 40 upon 72. Here 72 divided by next number denominator is 6. So 12 will come, multiply numerator and denominator by 12. So here we will get minus 60 upon 72. Then third number is minus 7 upon minus 12. So 72 divided by 12 will give us 6. 6 multiply numerator and denominator will give us minus 42 divided by minus 72. This minus minus can be cancelled, so it will be positive. Same 72 divided by 24 will give us 72 divided by 24 will give us 3. So multiply here with 3, we will get minus 39 upon 72. Then we will write in descending order. Descending order means first of all we will have to write greatest number, then smallest, smaller, smaller, smallest. So denominator is 72, we will see from this second, third and fourth. So first of all 42 is greater in numerator, so 42 upon 72. Then its original fraction is minus 7 upon minus 12. Then next is 40 upon 72, its original number is 5 upon 9, because we have to give answer from this question, not from these. So next is minus 39 or minus 60. Minus 39 is greater, minus 39 upon 72. Next one is minus 60 upon 72. So this is the descending order. Ascending order you can try by yourself. Same procedure, but we will write the smaller number first, then greater, greater, greatest. I think this concept is clear to you. So students, practice by yourself in rough notebooks. Thank you and have a nice day.